Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by creating a clean zone. Dust is the enemy. Power off the device so you don't trigger anything, then warm the protector with your palm for 10-15 seconds to soften adhesive slightly. Peel from one corner, very slowly at a 30-45 degrees angle while pressing near the peeling edge with a microfiber to catch loose dust. If you see dust clinging, stop and use a dust removal sticker. This first lift avoids trapping particles under the protector. Once you've lifted the protector a little, you can inspect both surfaces. You're looking for dust or lint, remove it with a dust sticker or gentle compressed air from a distance. Clean the screen in slow circular strokes with a microfiber, avoid sprays that leave residue. Align the protector using corners or alignment tabs, then lower it starting at one edge so air escapes toward the opposite edge. If small bubbles appear, press them out gently with the card wrapped. You're in the home stretch. Press remaining bubbles with firm, even strokes using the card wrapped in microfiber, pushing toward the nearest edge. Small specks near the center, lift to the closest edge, remove the particle with a sticker, then reseat slowly. If a bubble resists and looks like adhesive failure or has creases, stop. Reapplying can worsen it. Replace the protector. One key troubleshooting tip: if bubbles persist after cleaning, it usually means the adhesive is compromised, so swapping the protector is faster and cleaner.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.